How to determine the trend reversal point. What data will help us determine the reversal point? What strategies work to determine the reversal point? Hello everyone, my name is Victoria and I'm glad to see you on my YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at how traders can determine the reversal point on graphs. Watch closely, listen sharply, and let's get down to business. What makes traders from all over the world constantly monitor data from the simple chart? The answer is greed. This is the biggest driving force in binary options. In today's video, I will tell you how you can analyze the greed of others, bigger market players, and according to information you get, increase your own deposit and income. Human greed makes the price line jump up and down, and the status of your deposit changes along with it. Therefore, it is completely normal that every trader tries to determine the end of the trend down to the very point, and also open a sell position at the very top of the market when it comes to an uptrend movement, or at the very bottom of the market, open a buy position at the very beginning of an uptrend. However, most often such attempts end in losses, and it's alright if the trader strictly limits them. Then they will be able to fix the stop loss. But there are also those who trade without stop losses. For these traders, everything may end much worse. I am talking about a complete loss of a deposit. Therefore, the decision to take a position at the very top or at the very bottom of the market must be fully conscious. A reasonable explanation of the expected trend reversal is necessary. So, how do you determine the reversal point? Many traders use local maximums and minimums for this. We already touched on this topic previously, as you may remember. It has been proven that at such levels there is at least a corrective movement. Subsequently, the level may be broken and the price may go higher, but the probability of a price bouncing off of a level of this type is very high. Then how you can eliminate the risk of losing your deposit when trying to enter a short position at the top or at the bottom of the market? The answer is simple. You need to use additional analysis, which determines whether the support or resistance level will be the place where the price will reverse. What data will help us determine the reversal point? Will it be some kind of oscillator or a regular moving average indicator? No. Indicators of this kind are not helpers for a trader in determining the strength of a level. Almost all of them describe past price behavior. In other words, they follow the price. And we need information that will help us understand the intentions of big players, because it is their assets that can reverse the price and change the direction of a trend. If we know where the big players will move the price, we can predict the certain direction of movement with a very high probability. We are talking about stock data, namely stock volumes. By analyzing this indicator, a trader is able to determine how strong a given level is and whether it's worth expecting a good price movement in the right direction. All you need to do is correctly analyze the valuable information and make the right decision. Focusing on real exchange volumes and market profile is the best strategy when analyzing charts. Thanks to this approach, the strategy allows you to distinctly determine significant levels of support and resistance and thereby significantly increase trading efficiency. It is also important to use candlestick patterns to analyze the price and find an entry point. Thus, the trading strategy will include a set of analytical tools that can provide a trader with reasonable trading signals. Let's look at the examples of my students. Michael opened a sell deal on the GBP USD currency pair. Part of the position was closed according to the rule of safe. The rest of the position was closed according to the take profit. The sale was entered from the specified volume level. Steve opened a sell on the USD CAD currency pair after the price entered the zone of a refined resistance volume level. The profit was recorded at the specified support volume level and amounted to 40 points. This trade was made against the main uptrend. So where do you get exchange volume? To display exchange volumes on the chart of the MT4 terminal, you need to use the cluster delta volume indicator. The set is standard. You need to copy the indicator file to the folder with the indicators of the MT4 terminal. It should be noted that the indicators from this analytical portal are paid. In order for them to work, you need to register on the site, top up your balance, and pay for a subscription. The user has two subscription options. Number 1, standard package, $4.4 per month. And number 2, premium package, $7.7 per month. In addition to the volume indicator, there are a number of analytical tools from Cluster Delta. At the same time, the price indicated above includes all indicators of the premium package or standard package. By the way, in my Telegram channel, I publish deals every day so that you can find deals for yourself and try to make money. Link to my Telegram is in the description below. So let's see in practice how to find reversal points. We are not going to use MT4 terminal today. Instead, we're going to see it right on the broker's chart. It's our partner, Pocket Option. And so let's take a look at currency pairs and use the GBP JPY currency pair. So if we are to build support and resistance levels, we see how the chart has bounced and gone up. Here. In fact, we also see a trend, so most likely this deal is going to bring us profit. So let's see. Wonderful, the deal went well. I'd like to remind you that reversal points are sought in addition to data analysis. We pay special attention to candlestick patterns. Here we see a declining growth, which means that we are experiencing a change in trend. And so we made profit, so let's make the next deal. So the next currency pair is Jordanian dinar and Chinese yuan. We have opened a deal to buy. Let's take a look. So we can see the turning, the reversal point, and a change in trend. So it's most likely that our deal will go well. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have a loss deal. It's totally fine again. We will now increase the deposit of a deal amount by $200 and find the next currency pair. So here is the next deal, Swiss franc and Japanese yen. There you have it, an excellent deal, bringing us profit. Once again, pay attention to the candlestick patterns. Decline in growth, decline in growth, decline in growth, and growth. So we have found out exactly what data we need in order to predict the price and make money on its reversals. I am sure this information will be useful to you. Like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!